In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Manus AI and turn a prompt into a polished result. First, open Manus AI and either create an account or sign in to your existing one. The sign up is straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions and confirm your access so everything syncs properly. Once you're in, take a moment to explore the main dashboard. Notice where you can start a new task, where your recent projects or conversations live, and where settings and help resources are located. A quick look around will save you time later and help you understand how results, drafts, and messages are organized. When you're ready, begin a new task. This opens a fresh workspace where you can make a request. Think of it as a focused chat dedicated to one goal. Now type a clear prompt explaining exactly what you want Manus AI to do. Good prompts include three things: context, the specific goal, and any formatting or constraints. For example, you might specify the audience, the tone, the length, and the output format you want. If you already have text, paste it in and say what should change, summarize, rewrite, translate, or expand. The clearer you are, the fewer revisions you'll need later. Submit your prompt and let Manus AI generate the first result. Give it a moment to process. You'll see the output appear in the workspace. Read it top to bottom once without editing, just to understand the structure and the main ideas. Next, review the output critically and ask for edits if needed. Be direct and specific. You can say things like, make the introduction shorter, use a friendlier tone, add a concluding paragraph, or provide 3 examples. If anything is inaccurate or missing, point that out and ask Manus to correct or include it. Iteration is normal. Refining your prompt and the follow-up requests is how you guide the model to your ideal result. Finally, save, export, or continue improving the final result. Use the save option to keep a version you can return to. Export the content in the format that suits your workflow, or simply copy it to your clipboard. If you plan to revisit the project, add a short note or name the draft so it's easy to find later. That's the whole process. Sign in, explore, start, prompt, generate, refine, and save. Follow these steps and you'll move from idea to finished output quickly and confidently.